Hi guys, for this video I'm going to show you a quick makeup tutorial for Instagram pictures. For first step, I'm prepping my skin. I'm adding in the vitamin E serum from Good Vibes and then massaging it in my skin. For next step, I'm adding the moisturizer to moisturize and so that my skin stays hydrated throughout, and then I'm adding in the sunscreen, which is very important especially in summers. Then I'm massaging the skin so that for that healthy glow. To promote circulation, I'm adding in Super Stay foundation from Maybelline New York, and I'm adding it on my problematic areas, and that's it. I'm not adding it too much. You can also add as much as you want. Then I'm adding mascara. Then I'm adding this lipstick tint as my blush. It has very poppy color and I want that pop in my pictures. Then I'm blending it in. Then I'm adding this red lipstick on my lips, and yeah, I'm done. You can also add highlighter to glow.